everyone, welcome back to another YouCut video editing 002. My name is Lombini. Today we're going to learn how to import videos, photo and material, and also other tools. Let's roll. Open up the YouCut app, press the plus circle and press new project. On the top of the screen, we have recent and materials. Right now we are on recent. In the recent page, we have video, photos, and all. This is where we are going to import video and photos. In the previous videos, we have talked about importing the photo or pictures only. Today, we are going to import the video, photo, and materials. Before importing those, we are going to have a sneak peek of those tools. These are videos and all. Let's go to material page. We have color, beginning, ending, blend, love, glitch, transition, scenery, festival, space, green screen, fun, and frame. How cool is that, folks? Those are all free and supportive video editing. I love it so much. Okay, let's get back to editing. I'm going to press recent page, then I am going to select one video. In here, you can adjust the video by moving sideways on both ends. Let's try it, then play it. If you need more adjustment, move adjustment. Take your time and redo it. Okay, when you are done with adjustment and the part you like, press check mark. And here, we're going to do one video only. Later on, we're gonna put more stuff. Let's get back to editing. Do you see one video selected on the bottom left corner? You can add more and adjust the videos. Right now, I am going to import only one. Press the arrow circle. There you have it. Play it. Remember, this video is already adjusted, cut and sorted, but we can also adjust it in the edit panel. Now we're going back and redo it in the edit panel. In here, you can zoom in or zoom out by using two fingers to adjust it. To zoom in, zoom out in the edit panel, you just do this, like this, or like this. Select the videos. Same thing here. You can adjust it, shorten it, and cut it to get the part you want. Now I'm going to add more videos and adjust it. In here, press the plus circle on the bottom left corner to add more videos. Okay, I'm gonna choose more videos to import. There you go. Now you can cut, adjust the video, and edit panel. Or you can also adjust the video separately. Select the video and press trim or scissors icon. In here, you can trim, cut, and split. Do whatever you like to get the part you want. Okay, continue to adjust other videos as you like. I'm adding more videos and make some adjustments. So much fun, ain't it? Now we're going to add the transition between two videos. Let's go. Press backslash between two videos. Choose any transition style you want. Continue to add transition between two other videos. Now I'm going to play ukulele song to add the background music. I'm going to use my tablet to record it. Now I'm going to open up the voice recorder from my tablet. I'm going to press record. Now I'm gonna save that music by pressing stop and type the name and save it. Now it's time to add photos and music. Select the last video and press plus circle to add more photo or picture and import them. Play to see photo time frame. Adjust the photo time frame and add transition. Play to see photo timeline. Adjust them as you go. Now it's time to add music. Press music note and select the music we recorded earlier. Press use to import it. Select the music and press volume. Adjust the volume as you like. Now I'm going to add fade in, fade out on the background music. Before adding fade in, fade out, cut out the extra background music. Select music and add fade adjust, fade in, fade out bar. Slide to adjust less or more. Now it's time to finalize the project. Press save on the top right corner. I'm gonna use the default setting on resolution, frame rate, and quality. Press save and wait till it's done. This is the project video we created today. Watch it. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.